Hello! Welcome back to Sabrissimo. Today we are diving into Italian cuisine with a mouth-watering dish of pasta carbonara. So, if you are also craving some carbonara, stay with me to see how to get from these simple ingredients to the most delicious Italian carbonara under 10 minutes. Let's get started. Bring a pot of water to boil and generously season with salt. Add 300 grams of spaghetti in the boiling water without breaking them. We wait until the part submerged in water softens and gently press the pasta in the water, making sure it is completely covered. Let them boil for 8 minutes. This is the perfect time to obtain delicious al dente spaghetti. Meanwhile, in a separate pan, heat some olive oil and fry 100 grams of guanciale, pancetta or bacon until golden brown. Add 2 crushed garlic cloves to enhance the flavor. Now let's make the sauce for our carbonara. Mix 60 grams of grated parmesan with 10 grams of pecorino and pour them into a bowl. Add 3 egg yolks and a tablespoon of oregano. Mix very well until combined. After all the effort, let's take a short break and hit the like and subscribe button. Also check the links in the comments for more inspiration. Now we return to the bacon. Over the bacon, pour 6 ladles of pasta water and let it boil for 3 minutes. In this way, we will get a very tender and delicious bacon. Once the time has passed, put the al dente spaghetti over the bacon. Boil for a maximum 1 minute with the bacon to release the flavors. In this time, we can pick the garlic because it's left its flavor and we don't want it in the final dish. Now that they have boiled, we can turn off the heat and add the egg yolks and parmesan pasta we just made. Stir energetically. In this way, the eggs will cook evenly and form a very delicious sauce. This step is very important for a perfect distribution of the sauce over the spaghetti. Continue mixing for a few seconds until the final flavors are fully combined. Our carbonara is ready. It is creamy and smells incredibly good. Finally, plate your pasta and add a touch of visual appeal with a leaf of basil to enhance the aromas. Just look at this creamy, aromatic masterpiece. The combination of parmesan, bacon, and perfectly cooked pasta is simply irresistible. Absolutely divine, creamy, flavorful, and simply delightful. This carbonara hits all the right notes. I love it. Do you like carbonara? Drop a comment below with your answer. And for more delicious recipe and culinary inspiration, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. In this way, you will be the first to know when I post a new video. Thank you for joining me today on this delicious journey. Until next time, happy cooking!